Hi there, Kate from Darn Good Yarn here. I'm going to show you how to change your yarn when you're crocheting. So this method can be done with any type of yarn, any type of stitch, super easy. So here I have just a little swatch that I've done using two different types of our sparkle worsted weight yarn. I've done 2 rows of each color, and I'm now on the 6th row using this sparkle watercolors. So when you want to change your yarn with your working yarn, you want to get to the last row before you want your color change, and when you're on your last stitch, do not yarn over. And before I yarn over with the last 2 loops, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the new yarn, so the new yarn color that I want, and I'm going to attach that to my hook. So you'll technically have 2 lengths of working yarn. Tighten that up, and then you're essentially going to yarn over with this new yarn. You'll do the 1 chain or however many chains you need at the end of the row, turn your work, and then you'll be able to go ahead and use this new yarn. Just like it was the original working yarn you were using. You can go ahead and snip the old working yarn. And as you can see, I've done this a few times, which is why I have some strands hanging off this one side. Sorry, I'm finding it a little difficult to, there we go. And you can use this new yarn for as long as you like, just like it is the original yarn. I've seen projects where some people change the yarn every few rows and it's really colorful. Or I've seen some projects where there's big blocks of one set color before there's a change. If you use this method, you can just make sure that your color change is nice and clean looking, doesn't look like there's any gaps, doesn't look like it's, you know, unnatural. I know that doesn't make any sense really, because going from rainbow to pink ombre could be, you know, a little unnatural, but it looks, you know, it looks nice and clean. There's no weird gaps. You know, it looks like it's the same type of yarn. And then of course towards the end you're just going to want to weave in all of these bad boys. And that's it. That's all you have to do when it comes to changing yarn when you're crocheting.